Good morning, students. Today we can see the magnetic effect of electricity. So the next effect of electric current is a magnetism. So it was in the year 1819 that was discovered by the Hans Christian Ørsted. He was the person to discover the electricity that has the magnetic effect. So we have one small activity, that is using the iron nail, battery, switch, and then wire. Using this we have to give a connection and we have to get the current. So everything using the we have to take one iron nail, at the both end also you have to take a wire, and then you have to connect with the battery, and then one end is with the switch and another one end is with the switch, another one end is with the iron nail. So everything if you connect it, after if you on the switch, we'll be getting some of the powers. So at the when the switch is kept in the on position, the pin it will be starts to cling. It will be start to cling at the end of the nail. So when the electric current is switched off, the coil that it will be generally that it will lose its magnetism. So when it is losing the magnetism, that type of coil is called as the electromagnet. So the polarities of the both ends of the coil that is changing according to the direction of the electric current passes. So according to the direction of the electric current only, it changes the position. So next we can see the applications. So applications of magnetic effect of electric current. In that we are going to see the electromagnet. So the magnetic effect of electric current that is used in the many powerful current has been used in the many powerful electromagnets, and then electromagnetic that is used to remove the splinters of steel or irons in the hospitals, that is dealing with the eye injuries. So in that purpose the electromagnetic is used. So this electromagnet is used in many appliances that we using in our day-to-day life also, like electric bell, cranes, telephone. So these are some of the example for the electromagnet. So in that we can see the telephone. So in telephone, a changing magnetic effect that causes the thin sheet of metal, that is a diaphragm, that is for to vibrate. So the diaphragm is made up of a metal that can be attracted to the magnet. So that is made up of a metal that it will be attracted to the magnets. So the diaphragm is attached to the spring that is fixed to the earpiece, which we are keeping near to our ear. So that is attached to the spring. When the current flows through the wires, the soft iron bar becomes an electromagnet. So in that soft iron bar, that it will become an electromagnet. Then diaphragm that becomes attracted to the electromagnet. So as the person on the other end of the line speaks, his voice causes the current in the circuit to change it. So then this causes the diaphragm into the earpiece to vibrate. So when the other person is speaking through the phone, at the time it change the voice that causes the current in the circuit to change the voice. This causes the diaphragm in the earpiece to vibrate. So this only this only causes the earpiece to vibrate when other person is speaking. Sometimes we will be getting a vibration in our ear. So that is then only it is producing, if first it vibrates, then only it is producing a sound. So the next, chemical effects of electricity. So in the chemical reactions that happen when the electricity passes through the various conducting liquids, that is when it is passing through some of the conducting liquids, so that is known as the chemical effects of electricity. So this is the chemical effects. So thank you, students.